Alrighty, how's it going? This is the E550 here. Here you can see the UPD spacers, red. Comes with all the silver spacers for the screws, longer screws too. You can see here, red UPD. And they come with the spacers for these covers. It's hot right now. But it comes with that little silver riser for these pins to go for the covers to make everything line up. That clips in all nicely. This side, you got to be careful. I stripped the bolt off, so I'm gonna have a welding shop weld something on there so I can unscrew it. It's a 10 millimeter though, and then I have the spacer, and then I gotta buy another pin that I broke off. Engine cover fits good, fits great. The only thing people don't like is this space in between the ECU. And you can buy these silver spacers for the actual ECU, but I decided not to. I mean, it's not a big deal. It's not a show car. Everything clips back in like normal. Everything clips fine. They give you the spacers for these. It's not a big deal. Some people are a little OCD about it, but I mean, everything clips in is fine. And this side just needs its cover. I need to weld something and unscrew it. But yeah, so far I love it.